Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the fifth question of exercise 12.2. So it says a wire of length 18 meters had been tied with an electric pole at an angle of 30 degrees. So let this be the electric tower, and it says it is tied with an electric pole at an angle of 30 degrees with the ground, and the length of rope is 18 meters. So let the tower be AB and this point on the ground be C. Next he says, because it was long distance, it was cut and tied at an angle of elevation 60 degrees. So he's saying that it went too far, so he cut the wire into some two parts, and now he tied the rope at an angle of 60 degrees with the ground. Let this point be C. Now he's asking how much of length of wire is left. So if this is a wire of 18 meters and he used this much part to, so this is the AD part and this is the X which he wants us to find. So this is the AD part which he used. So now this will be, this hole is 18 meters. So let me write down as some, this hole is AC, that is 18 meters. So now find the length of AD, which should be 18 minus X meters. So let's write it down. This is 18 minus X meters. Okay. Now he wants us to find the length of X here. So that's what he wants us to find in this triangle. So he's asking how much of the length wire was cut, that is X. Now if we consider this diagram, we can see that the length of AB, that is the length of the tower, is common in both the triangles. So let's find the length of tower first. So we can consider triangle. In triangle ACB, the angle that we have 30 degrees, we need to find the length of opposite side, and we need to have the length of hypotenuse. So this would be sine. So sine C is equal to opposite side, that is AB, hypotenuse, that is AC. Now sine C, that is sine 30, is equal to 1 by 2. So this would be 1 by 2 is equal to AB. AB equal to, we need to find, and AC we note as 18 meters. So AB is equal to 18 by 2, that is 9 meters. So we found the length of the tower, that is 9 meters. Now let's consider small triangle. In triangle ADB, so similarly again we have the length of opposite side, and we need to find the length of hypotenuse. So we have sine D is equal to AB by AD. So sine D, sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, and AB we have it as 9, and the AD is equal to 18 minus 6. So let's cross multiply. We have root 3 into 18 minus 6 is equal to 9 2s are 18. Now, sorry, 9, this is 18 minus 6, not 18 minus 2. Now let's bring this root 3 to the right hand side. So 18 minus 6 is equal to 18 by root 3. Now let's rationalize this into root 3 by root 3. So 18 minus 6 is equal to 18 root 3 by 3, and 3 6 are 18. So this would be 18 minus 6 equal to 6 into 1.732. So 6 into 1.732 will be 10.392. So 18 minus 6 is equal to 10.392. Now let's bring this x to right hand side, and 10 minus 3.2 to the left hand side. So this would 18 minus 10.392 is equal to x. Now x equal to 18 minus 392, that is 7.608 meters. That's it. So he gave he gave the length of wire, that is 18 meters, and he wants it to length, that is cut off, that is x. So we found the length of x equal to 7.608 meters. That's it. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe for the next one. Thank you.